Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. We're on week 18. And our prompts for this week is an instrument with keys, and I've got this sticker of the piano down here. A handwriting from a journal or a letter, I've got this. Patterned washi tape, I've got this. A piece of striped fabric, paper or fabric, and I've got this striped paper. An image of a window or arch, and I've got these windows and this arch. And the bonus is hole reinforcers. So I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. Well, we are having severe thunderstorms, so you may hear some thunder going on. And I'm just going to make it easy on myself and go ahead and get down the hole reinforcers. It's going to be just as simple as that. But other than the storms, there's not a whole lot going on. My kitty cat got me. He got spooked and just went nuts. He doesn't usually do that, but he's done it twice this week. Alright. So I've already inked everything, and I'm going to put that down first, kind of as a background. And I really don't know where I'm going with this. I'm just going to collage and have fun. We had some rain a little bit yesterday. We've had more today than yesterday. This just came up recently. My husband went outside to weed eat, and he wasn't out there maybe 15 minutes, and he was back. The bottom fell out. Put that around for some reason. I don't know why. It just looks better to me this way. All right. Now I have got, I think I did something, I think I used this one in my last collage, if I'm not mistaken. But it worked so well, I'll use this one. It's not the exact same, but it's from the same page. Alright. And I've got a few bonus pieces. Not sure what I'll use. Yeah, I've got that. So I've got my instrument. It'll go over the top. Washi tape and my other paper can go pretty much anywhere it wants to go. So I think, see what I want to use. I've got this cute little focal point too that I thought I might use. I do like that color just a little bit better, I think. If I can put this somewhere else. And I could maybe ground it like that. And I will ink this just a little bit. I did not ink that because I didn't know where I was gonna. Oh, yeah. So I'm thinking something like that. And I'm just gonna go with that. Let me get this down. I think I've caught up with everything. I'm hoping this week I can get back to some of the fun things I enjoy, like my glue book and art journal, as well as some of the other, just ephemera making things. My problem is I like to do so many things. It's hard to get it in, especially if you're doing challenges. I started a new one on Wednesdays, hosted by Miss Crafty. Let's see here. I think I'm just gonna clip that there. And it's pretty fun, and I'm making ephemera, so because I always need tags and stuff for journals. I'm working on a journal that is from a challenge hosted by Kathleen Miller. I love her journal, so I'm trying to do one in the style that she does. This is the first time. It's just kind of like an eclectic journal, but mine's going to be kind of shabby chic. Yeah, like that. But I'm going to use the back of a Reader's Digest and just try some of the pages and things that she does. Most of the ones I've made before have been themed, and there's nothing wrong with that because I do love papers and they get me every time. Alright, now washi tape. I think I want to go with that black. Just a few pieces around. Maybe. Oops. There we go. I don't think I need this piece. I may want to add that. I do need to get my piano down. And this is going to be hard because it's got all those intricate pieces in there. And I'm just going to end up covering up that, find my tweezers. Oh, those are the ones I want. See if I can piece this back together. Let's see here. Got that teeny tiny triangle. Which I've lost. Oh, it's still on my tweezers. Between it sticking to my finger and sticking to the tweezers. Excuse my head. It turned around. Let's see if these will do better. I can find them. Let's see, I just put them back. There they are. Sorry. It's so blind. Can't see what I'm doing. And just scooch it around. There we go. Now let's see. I don't know why they couldn't have just left this solid. I had another piano. I just saw it because, you know, I've been cleaning my room, and it wasn't where I thought I put it. And I looked through these things a couple of times and I still couldn't find it. Very frustrating. That seems to be my modus operandi. Okay. And in there. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna go ahead and do this and I'll be back. All right, I have to admit that was quite tedious. But, and I probably lost a few little tiny pieces there, but anyway, it's down. And now I just want to see if I want to add, I may add another piece of washi tape since I covered that one up. I could add a piece right there. Okay, and I think that is just too light. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe something like that. Bring a little color in. And I had this that was just on that little piece of, I may just add that down just because I like it. Let's see here if I have anything else. Too big. I do like that. And maybe I do like those deep colors there. So I'm just going to put that down. I don't even think I'm going to distress it. It's pretty. And let's see if I've got some of these stickers. So maybe I can put down maybe this butterfly. If I can get it up off of this. There we go. Now I think I just want to do some splatters. If I can find that's the problem with cleaning up your area, is you never know where you leave stuff. It's got to be around here somewhere. There we go. Yay. Every time I clean or straighten up or change anything, I can't find anything for days, weeks. So I'm just gonna put a little bit here. And we call that done. Let's see what I've got here. We have got instrument with keys, which is piano. Handwriting, it's in the background here. From a journal letter. Pattern washi tape, I've got a few pieces around. Image with window or arch, and I've got this house that's got the arches and the windows. I think that's striped paper fabric. I've got that right here and right here. And the bonus is hole reinforcers, and I've got that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Y'all take care. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2025 CWP18 to see what everyone else has made. So until next time, bye y'all.